Imagine you've just mailed an important, fragile gift to a friend. You've taped the box and written down the street address, but you accidentally left out one small detail, the apartment number. When the mail carrier arrives at the building and sees dozens of different doors, they can't finish the delivery. They stamp the box, return to sender, and all your effort is wasted. As a medical coder, you are essentially addressing packages all day long. Instead of mailing cardboard boxes to houses, you are sending medical claims to insurance companies. Insurance companies are just as strict as the post office. They look at the address on your claim, the diagnosis code, and search for any missing details that might make it undeliverable. Ensuring a code is finished and complete is the difference between getting paid for their work or having that claim sent right back. Look at how this envelope translates into a medical code. Our core requirement: only complete codes can be reported. Every code starts with a 3-character category. Think of this as writing the state and city on your envelope. While the city tells the post office the general area, it isn't enough information to actually deliver the mail. A 3-character category is too broad to be reported by itself. Next, we add a subcategory, which brings us to 4 or 5 characters. This is like adding the street name to your envelope. This gets you much closer to the destination, but subcategories are still just steps in the process. If the coding manual offers more detail, you cannot stop here. To finish the job, you must find the house number. In coding, this is called using the highest level of specificity. You are looking for the most detailed version. Stopping at a category or subcategory is like asking the post office to guess which house is yours. Precision is the only way to guarantee the claim reaches its destination. There is a trap that often catches new coders: codes needing one final layer of detail even after you found the house. Some codes require a 7th character. As you can see here, it works exactly like an apartment number. If you are sending mail to a large complex, leaving off the apartment number ensures the package gets lost. If the coding instructions ask for that 7th character, it isn't a suggestion. It is mandatory for the code to be valid. If you leave it off, the insurance company's computer will see the code as broken and reject the entire claim immediately. A simple way to remember this is, if it's not complete, it can't compete. Or even more simply, no 7th, no submission. This final character isn't a minor detail. It's the gatekeeper that decides whether your claim is accepted or sent back to the start. Following these rules has a direct impact on the success of a medical clinic and the speed at which it can help patients. On the left, an incomplete code results in a denied claim. On the right, a complete 7-character code is paid. This denial creates a mountain of extra paperwork, triggering warnings of compliance failures with government rules. Insurance companies only pay for exactly what happened during a doctor's visit. An incomplete code leaves out part of the story, giving them a reason to withhold payment. Your goal as a coder is to submit codes that are complete, specific, and valid every single time. Watch out for the 3 common mistakes: using a general category, stopping at a subcategory, or forgetting that final 7th character. By focusing on these details, you become the person responsible for the financial health of the entire practice, ensuring every claim is handled the AMCI way.